While loop. While loop. While loop is looping as long as the condition is true, which means while loop will still loop as long as given condition is true and stops when the condition becomes false. While loop is very important, and almost all programming languages have while loop. Python have two primitive loops, for and while. Let's see how. Okay, open brackets to try using while loop. So I will use while loop to print I as long as variable I is less than 6. So type letter I equal 1. To use while loop, you have to type the keyword while first, then parentheses and put the conditions. For example, while I less than or equal 6, which means I will still looping as long as I is less than or equal 6. Make sure the indentation is very important. Then type your statements or your block of code, such as print variable I and variable I plus equal 1. Plus equal 1 means to add by 1 each time the loop is looped. After that, try that on terminal and see what we did. As you can see, while loop was looping as long as the condition was true, and added by 1 each time was looped. Then it stopped looping when the variable becomes greater than 6, which breaks the condition rule that you have put it. Okay, thank you for watching.